Okay, my RV camper, whatever you're gonna call it, the thermostat went out the other day, or I'm gonna say it went out. I tripped the main breaker, running something anyway, overloaded it, and when I reset, my thermostat quit working. And I'm gonna show you what it does. It's off. This is set to auto. I'm gonna turn the fan to low. You can see it's on 85 degrees, and I'll show you the inside room temperature right here. It's 70 in here right now. Okay, that first number on the left side of the screen there, at the bottom, is our inside, like it says in there. Alright, when I switch it to auto, to cool, it comes on. It's 70 degrees in here. It's 81 outside, high humidity, 74%. And I've got it set on roughly 85 degrees. As you can see, when I turn it up, it's going to go nearly up to 90 and then shut off. And it will run like that. At that setting, it'll get up to about 75, 76, maybe 77 degrees in here. But if I turn it back down just a little, it comes back on. And it will run till it's, well, it was 64 in here this morning. So, needless to say, I ordered I'm going to turn that off because it's kind of loud. Ordered an Amazon thermostat. There's the part number. I don't know which place I ordered it from, but it's just a generic replacement. And I'm going to swap it out. So let's see how this goes. I think I'll do it in 2 videos, maybe 3. We'll see. Real short. All right, thanks for watching.